Guys, now we like to call some ego champs to show us how to celebrate Pongal. Can we have a big round of applause?
Jalaja, what's happening here?
Well, we are doing some rituals for Pongal.
What is Pongal?
Ayo, you don't know what Pongal is?
I heard about it, but I exactly don't know what it is.
Well, then let me tell you what it is. But for that, you need to know about the history of it.
History. Festivals have history too.
Huh, why not? History suggests that the festival of Pongal came into existence between the Sangam period, that is, between the 5th to 3rd century BC, and the medieval Chola dynasty that was up to the 13th century CE. During the Sangam era, Pongal was observed by the name of Pavai Nomu, in which young girls prayed to God in the hope of good harvest and a very nice fertile soil. Some historical evidence suggests that during the Chola dynasty rule, Pongal was celebrated as the name of Puthiedu, where land was donated to the temples.
Okay, now I have understood about the history of Pongal. Now, can you please tell me what is Pongal?
Of course, why not? Pongal is a famous festival celebrated among the Tamil community. It falls on the 15th or 14th January every year. As soon as the winter solstice is over, this festival is celebrated to mark the beginning of the harvest season. The festivals are divided into 4 days, and they are the festivals to worship God of sun and rain, to express love for the cows, and end it with expressing profound gratitude to Mother Nature. The 4 names are Bhogi, Tai, Karnum, and Mattu Pongal. It is a 4-day celebration that starts with the day when the sun transits into the Capricorn zodiac or the Makar Rashi. According to the Tamil calendar, Pongal begins from the last day of the Marghazi month.
Oh, that's interesting. For how many days do we celebrate Pongal?
We celebrate Pongal for almost 4 days. The first day of Pongal is celebrated as Bhogi. On this day, as per the blessings of Lord Krishna, Lord Indra is worshipped. The second day is the main day of celebrating the Thai Pongal festival, which is related to the sun's transition into the Capricorn zodiac. On the third day, Mattu Pongal is dedicated to the cattle. On this day, farmers put up forts for the cattle for upbringing and prosperity in their house. The fourth is the most important day. The leftovers of the last 3 days is placed on a turmeric leaf along with other food items on the courtyard, where women gather and pray for the prosperity, health and happiness for the family members. The 4 days of festival is celebrated by everyone with great happiness, as it is believed that Pongal is a festival that brings joy, prosperity and hope.
Oh, that's interesting to know about our new culture of our country. India is such a diverse country. We have lot to know about this. I'm proud to be an Indian.
That's true. And now we'll have the eco charms of class 8 to perform Pongal.